Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today what I'm going to be doing is growing prickly pear seeds. And the seeds I got from eBay. It's a seed mix, 9 of them. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get any. And anyways, let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is you want to get your soil in a container. It can be like a plant container or a normal food container. Make sure it's small and has like the soil in it. Yep. You want to make sure that the soil is nice and wet because the seeds love moisture when they first sprout, cactus seeds. And make sure the soil is sterilized too, because like you don't want mold to grow in there and take over the seedlings in there that would be growing too. And a way you can sterilize it is by putting it in the microwave and make sure that the soil is kind of wet, so then it can heat up too and kill those spores and any bugs that would be in there that would harm the plants. It's just best for it. And also in growing the seeds, make sure that there's not a lot, make sure there's low nutrient level, so then it can be easy to grow and they won't like go into shock. But anyways, let's start. Alright, so first what I have is 9 prickly pear seeds. I'm gonna put it in this small container. Yep. Alright, so now I have all my seeds on top of the soil, and you can do it differently. You can poke holes in the soil and then plant the seeds in there, or you can put it on top and sprinkle the soil on after. But yeah, either way is good. And for these seeds, you'd want to dig about like ½ an inch. That should be good enough. And then right now what I would do is sprinkle on the soil. So alright, after you buried your seeds, what you want to do is you want to water it thoroughly until water is coming out of the bottom of the holes if you're using that container, or if you're using like a normal food container, and water it until like you can tip it over and water will fall out. That's good. So yep, what I'll do is water it. Water it thoroughly. Make sure you're using like cool water, not hot water. Don't want to kill the seeds, even though they're in a casing. Alright, now after you watered them, what you want to do is you want to put it in a plastic bag, so then it can like get the moisture and the heat all together. Alright, after you put it in the plastic bag, what you want to do now is put it in a area where it's like lots of warmth, so then the seeds can slowly germinate. And these types of seeds, since they're in a casing, it'll take about like several weeks to months for them to sprout. It takes a while, but the warmer the better. But obviously you don't want it to be too hot. But anyways, that'll be it for the video, and thanks for watching.